Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday with me, your host, Laura Buechler from Inkyfingers Papercrafting. So excited to be here with you today to remember and remind you that creativity is fun, creativity is good for us, and creativity is for everyone. I'm extra excited to be here today because up until 4 days ago, I thought I was going to have to cancel this Make It Monday for jury duty. Thank goodness, jury duty was canceled. I get to be here with you. I get to be creative with you. And we are going to make some beautiful cards today. Now, don't forget to stick around until the end of the video because your friend and mine, Stevie, is going to come back and tell us who won this fabulous card that we made last week together. Thank you, Stevie. Now, I know when we made that card together last week, holy moly, it was a lot of Stampin', right? So this week's card, not very much Stampin'. And I made it in 4 different beautiful colors. These are the colors of the Shades and Hues Designer Series paper, which is available right now while supplies last at inkyfingers.ca shop SU. That stands for Stampin' Up. And this is a beautiful monochromatic paper. And I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. You know me and monochromatic paper. Well, any paper, really. Hello, Lena and Suzanne. Thank you so much for joining us today. Now, I just want to show you one more time these beautiful colors. I forgot to mention the colors are Pool Party, Fresh Freesia, Petal Pink, and Night of Navy. What a great color collection. And the one that we are making today, we are making Petal Pink. I had to remind myself not to make another blue card because blue is my favorite color. But, you know, sometimes you got to step outside of your one particular favorite color palette and do something different. So I decided to go with Petal Pink. Hello, Samantha. Oh, we got all kinds of people joining in today. So while I'm getting started assembling the first couple layers of this card, I would love for everyone to tell me in the comments whether you are subscribed to my newsletter or not. Because let me tell you, you're going to want to be. I have got some exciting stuff coming up. There is a very special offer coming out on February 20th that I am offering. It's not a Stampin' Up offer. It's a Laura Buechler Inkyfingers Papercrafting offer. And you will not get it. Oops, I don't want to put that on yet. You will not get that offer anywhere else except on my newsletter. Now, if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, this is where you need to go to get on that email list. And like I said, you want to be on there. What do we get? Lena says she is subscribed. That's awesome, Lena. Thank you. What do we get when we are on that newsletter? We get tips and tricks every week. We get charming, silly, humorous memes every week. You get links to these videos. So if you missed it, if you missed the Make It Monday, even on the replay, you get the link directly to that. So look at that. I'm just popping that right off. So you don't miss out. You get links to blog posts. You get, of course, all the Stampin' Up offers. And yeah, you get all the news you need. I am in the process of revamping my whole newsletter process, which is really exciting for a nerd like me. But also, it's going to help me serve you better. So, yeah, you want to be on there. Trust me. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Especially you want to be on there if you like butterflies, which is a little hint. We got a little butterfly on today's card and a little hint about what's coming your way February 20th. Only to my newsletter subscribers, it has something to do with butterflies. So make sure you get on there. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got lots of comments today. I'm popping this under here. I'm not being very precise today, and it doesn't really matter because however you make the card, it's going to look cute, right? That's usually the way it is. I'm going to take one of my Stylish Shapes dies and cut out with my mini Stampin' Up! Cut and Emboss machine from this white scrap cardstock. Let's see. I get a minute to read the comments now while I do that. Okay, Lena is signed up. Samantha is signed up. Suzanne says, sign me up. Awesome, Suzanne. Love to have you on there. Yeah, you'll know that you're on there if you usually get mail from me in your inbox every Tuesday. That's when I send it. And you'll know it's me because every newsletter has my smiling face on it. Okay, so here is our pretty little square, and it matches with our petal pink mat. There we go. We can zoom that back down. And this is where we're going to do our stamping, our very little bit of stamping. So even though there are only 2 stamps on this card, I chose 2 stamps from 2 different stamp sets. Oh, Laura, why are you so silly? So here's what we've got. We've got the butterfly from Spotlight on Nature, which is a cling stamp set. And then we've got Hugs for Love, and I am using the Life is Better with You sentiment, and that is a photopolymer stamp set. So because we have a photopolymer stamp, we're going to use our Stampin' Pierce mat, and I'm going to start with that one. And I'm going to stamp that in black. Okay. So what has everybody been up to this week? And most importantly, have you done any crafting? I just made some very cute Valentine's Day treats for some friends that I'm going to see on Valentine's Day. So I'm very excited about that. I don't want to show them here because I don't want to spoil the surprise, but yeah, you know I can't resist making a special paper crafted treat for people that I love any time of year. So there we go. Life is Better with You, and we've got our pretty petal pink butterfly. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. That went so quickly. And that's when my webcam stopped working. And since I record the audio, aka my voice, through the webcam, my audio stopped working too. If you look on the right-hand side of your screen, you can see my silly face just in one position, not moving for the entire rest of the video because the webcam wasn't recording. And neither was my voice. So here I am a week later, voiceover Laura, right here with you to guide you through the rest of this fabulous video. Oh, technology. So I have put the stamped piece on my petal pink cardstock, and I've got my dimensionals that I'm going to use to attach that to the card. This pack of dimensionals must have been so new that I haven't even colored on it yet, because you can see the backings are all white, and usually they're colored. Okay, let's pop that onto the card. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute, right? Love it. All right, now I want to grab my ribbon. I could tie a bow here, but I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm just going to cut a short little piece and I'm going to tie a knot. So I thread that through the ribbon that's already attached to the card and just tie a quick little knot and trim off the ends. Keep it simple, quick, and easy. Love it. All right, now when I made the first batch of the cards that I showed you in the beginning, all these different colors, I didn't add any bling. So we're going to add bling to all of these cards. And what I want to do is I want to add the adhesive backed sparkle gems. They come in gold and silver and black, and I'm going to use the black gems to tie in with the black ink that we've used on the sentiment, right? And I'm going to, let me see, I think I'm going to put all of these in different combinations. I think that's what I did. So playing around with different ways to add the gems and add some bling to the card. Clearly, I don't have any plan whatsoever. Look at that. That looks pretty good. All right, let's see what the next one is. I tend to do 2 blings together and then 1 bling in a separate place. Sometimes I try to do something different, but that's kind of my default. So while you're watching this video, let me know which of these colors you like best and which of the bling arrangements you like best. Oh, and by the way, I was talking to somebody about the Make It Monday videos recently, and they had a misconception about sharing the video. So I want to set you all straight right now. You have the whole entire week to share the video and have a chance to win the card. You don't have to share it right during the Make It Monday live. You have all the way until I do the next Make It Monday to share the video. Now, of course, I obviously say go ahead and share the video while you're watching it, because that's when you're going to share it. You're not going to come back a week later and share it. You're going to share it while you're watching it. So yes, I do the draw a whole week later, right as I'm about to go live for the following week. All right, there's our beautiful cards. I'm so pleased with all of them. I'd love to know which one you like best. Thank you everyone for watching. And here comes Stevie. Stevie's going to come over and tell us who won last week's card. Like I said, you have a whole week. Yay! Carol! Carol won last week's card, and I've in fact already given it to her. Isn't it so cute? And you have the whole week to share the video and have a chance to win one of these cards, whichever color you happen to like best. All right, that's it for today's video, everyone. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, my events calendar, the current catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you take some time to get creative today. Happy stampin', and see you next time. Bye-bye.